In this video, I'm going to talk about the information processing model of memory. This model says that your brain works like a computer to store memories. That means that there are 3 steps in the process. You have encoding, storage, and retrieval. This also connects with the 3 main types of memory: sensory memory, working memory, and long-term memory, which are described more in your book than we'll go over in this video. So when we talk about creating memories, the first step is encoding. In encoding, what you need to do is put information into your brain. You need to be able to get it from the outside world into your memory systems. This is done from sensory memory to working memory. Sensory memory is that very brief bit of memory where information either is then further stored or it's forgotten forever. That process of moving from sensory memory to your short-term memory is the encoding process. If you pay attention to it, then you can encode it. Similar to a computer, when you are typing, say you're typing up an essay for a class, that is going to be encoding. You need to get it into your computer in a correct format. After encoding, you need to store it somewhere. You need to actually press save on your file on your computer if you want to get back to it. Similarly, what that means for your memory is that it needs to go from your short-term memory to your long-term memory. It needs to be stored in a more permanent way. So that process of something going from short-term memory to long-term memory is going to be storage. After you have stored something in your mind long-term, you need to be able to retrieve it again. You need to be able to pull it out of your memory to remember it. So that retrieval is when you take something from that long-term storage and bring it back to your working memory so you can be aware of it again. So the third stage of the information processing model is retrieval, and that is removing information out of storage. So the 3 steps of the information processing model: encoding, getting the information in; storage, sticking it somewhere; and retrieval, getting it out of that storage. And this is the diagram that helps you also understand it as well. Sensory memory to working memory is that encoding process. Working memory to long-term memory is the storage process, also a little encoding. And then long-term memory back to short-term memory is the retrieval process.